Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Charles Schwab API. To get started, you'll first need to understand its purpose and what it offers for developers. The API provides access to real-time market data, account information, and order management, allowing you to build custom trading applications. You'll need to create a separate developer account, distinct from your brokerage account, to begin this journey. The next step involves registering your application. After creating your developer account, you'll navigate to the dashboard to create a new app. You'll need to choose the API products you want, such as market data production or accounts and trading production. Provide an app name and a callback URL, which is crucial for authentication. Once submitted, your application will go through an approval process, typically taking a few days. Once your application is approved, you'll receive your API keys, including a client ID and client secret. These are essential for authenticating your requests. You'll then implement the OAuth 2.0 flow, redirecting users to Schwab for authorization and receiving authorization codes. After this, you can connect the API to your preferred programming language, like Python, and start making calls to access market data or manage your trading account. To ensure a smooth experience, always follow security best practices, especially regarding your API keys and tokens. Schwab provides extensive documentation and support to help you navigate the API's features and troubleshoot any issues. Remember that access tokens expire, so setting up a refresh token system is vital for uninterrupted operation. And speaking of valuable resources, I highly recommend checking out the book The Simple Path to Wealth *. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.